Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Enjoy! Hey guys, I had to re-upload this video because of copyright music, so please watch it over again. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step how I make my delicious chicken puff. I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you would like to connect with me, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Cooking with Afton. And all my measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. And I would really appreciate if you guys please watch my ads in my video. Thank you. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy making this delicious chicken puff. You can make your chicken puff as an appetizer for a party or make it at home. I'm making it for my kids right now. They're home from school, so they're gonna enjoy this delicious chicken puff. Alright guys, so let me stop talking and enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a chicken puff. So my ingredients are, I have some chicken mince here, I have some grated ginger, green seasoned mustard hot sauce, I have some chopped up onion and garlic. And for my spices, I have black pepper, mustard pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, chicken seasoning, thyme powder, and a chicken cube. So let's go and fry up our chicken mince now. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on my pan there, and then I'm going to pour some oil inside. Then I'm going to fry up my garlic and ginger. So now I'm going to put in my chicken mince to fry. So the chicken has been frying up for a couple of minutes, so I'm going to put in my chicken cube. And all my spices, my onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, chicken seasoning. I'm also going to put in my green seasoned mustard sauce and my ginger sauce. Give that a stir. I'm cooking the chicken now. But till tomorrow, for the next couple of hours, I'll be making the puff. Allow this to fry down for a couple more minutes, and we'll be back. Alright, so my chicken mince has been frying up for a few minutes, and as you can see here, it's all done now. Let me take off my stove, and we'll continue this video in the next couple hours. Okay, so we'll be back. So the chicken finished frying up here. I just took out half of the portion. So now I'm going to pour in some mayonnaise. I'm going to give that a mix. I'm just going to put a little bit of sugar. And give that a stir. Alright, so when the puff finished cooling now, we're gonna fill it with this chicken mixture here. We'll be back. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my chicken puff. So we have some flour over here, I have some salt, sugar, eggs, butter, and some water.
So the first thing I'm going to do is pour my water in my pan, and then I'm going to add my sugar and salt, and then give that a stir, make sure it melts into the water. And then I'm going to add my butter, my 3 scoops of butter there, and we're going to stir it until it melts. When the butter finishes melting in the water, then you're going to add your flour, and then you're also going to stir it. You can't stop, just keep on stirring it till the water dissolves and until it start looking maybe like mashed potato or so consistency. Yeah, just keep on stirring it all the time. And when it finishes cooling off, then you're gonna put it into your bowl, chop it up a little bit, mash it up a little bit, and then you're gonna add 2 of your eggs. You could either use your spatula to stir it, but this is going to be a lot of arm work. Or you're going to just use your hand mixer and mix it for like a 2 minutes or so. Just like that. And then you're going to stop, and then you're going to add your last egg. So that's 3 eggs we're using here. And we're going to mix it again. My hand mixer was giving me problem that day, but it worked. Then you can scoop off the sides and so. Mix it up a little bit more. And that. And then you're gonna get a cup. You're gonna get a piping bag and a tip. And you're gonna put it in the cup like that. And then you're gonna pour your mixture into your piping bag. It's like a thick consistency there. If you want to get a nice design, it has to be thick like that. Then you're gonna butter your pans. I'm using 2 pans. And then you're gonna make like a circle like. Yeah, I'm just making some small chicken puff. You can make it bigger if you want, but I'm just making mine small. This is a nice appetizer for a party, like a savory pastry. Or you could even make it for your kids at home as well. Now you're gonna get some water, put it on tip of your hands, and you're gonna press down on your puff because you don't want the top to burn. Put it in the oven for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, so when I took the chicken puff out of the oven and put it in this bowl here. So now you're gonna stuff the chicken puff. We have some chicken mixture here. I'm just gonna cut it. Now we're going to take like a teaspoon of the chicken mixture, and we're going to put it in each of the puff. You can put like lettuce and other stuff if you want to, but I just made mine simple and it was delicious. Good. So guys, this is how it's looking here. My chicken puff. Let me just go take out my thumbnail now. Alright guys, so this is the end results from my chicken puff. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Cooking with Afton. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget all my measurements and ingredients is in the description box down below. Alright, so thanks again for watching my Vlogmas video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.